Hello, this is Joan of Art. I'm here at Concepcion, Talisay, home of the famous Concepcion lanzones and rambutan. So let's talk about the word DUGOS. Let's ask the veteran Ilonggo speaker. Ma, this is my mom. This is Mama Nora.
Okay. Dugos is to harvest the fruit of a tree.
Okay.
Okay? Like, it is also applied to any tree, coconut tree, that's
Yes.
termed dugos.
Any fruit-bearing
Yes,
tree,
yes.
and then when you harvest,
You look at the
everything.
guy, he's
okay, so there's this young gentleman over there on top of the rambutan tree, and he's doing the dugos. And by
luto tanan to.
dugos, it
Okay na
means
gid ya,
to
okay na.
harvest all the fruit of that tree.
Pwede man gani.
So there's a sack there. They're
lang ang sanga.
getting the sack up there to fill that with rambutan fruit. So the act of harvesting all the fruits of this tree is called dugos, because fruit picking is just puksi. Puksi means to pick, but this one is to really get everything, and you have to climb it. So the act of climbing the tree is called saka, and the tree is called kahoy. So saka, sakahoy. Here are the first few fruit of the rambutan tree that we have picked from the dugos harvest. And that is the marang fruit that mom is eating.
Close from the tree.
And how do you open this? Just squeeze it open, and there you go.
Sige lang. Balikon na di sa tapos bulan.
Very juicy. Juice in Ilonggo means duga. So when you say juicy, nagaduga or maduga, very juicy. I don't know if there's an English name for this, because this is very typical here in Asia, Southeast Asia. So there's rambutan in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and of course in the Philippines. Okay, drop down. And there's pasit again. She calls it gan it. Gan it. Grab something by the hand rather violently. Singit is a fruit picking tool made of a long wooden rod. Sometimes it's made of bamboo and a hook at the tip. And the hook is used to pick out the fruit, especially if it's too far out. Rambutan seed is called liso, and you just spit it out. Rambutan, if I'm not mistaken, is taken from the Malaysian word rambut, which means hair. So rambutan is hairy. So this hairy fruit is called rambutan. Squeeze it. Squeeze the fruit like this. Squeeze it open and eat it. There are many varieties of the rambutan fruit, and the most popular is called the maharlika. Maharlika is a Pinoy word that means royal. So it was said that the Filipino royalty used to eat this kind of variety, the maharlika. Until our next video, this is Joan of Art. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.